In this video, I will show you how to change keyboard on iPhone. Go to Mobile Setting, then go to General, and then scroll down and go to Keyboard. Then tap Keyboards, the first option. Then do any of the following. If you want to add a keyboard, then tap Add New Keyboard. Then choose a keyboard from the list and select keyboard and tap Done. If you want to remove a keyboard, then tap Edit the top right corner. Tap Delete, then OK. If you reorder your keyboard list, then tap Edit and drag the reordered button. If you add keyboard for other language, you can type in two languages without having to switch between keyboard. Your keyboard automatically switches between the two languages you see most often.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.